Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by choosing the font source and preparing the theme. If you use Google Fonts, note the family name. If custom, convert files to WAF/WAF2 and keep them ready. Once done, open Shopify admin, go to online store, then themes and duplicate your live theme as a backup. Next, click customize or edit code depending on your approach. This lets you add files or change settings safely. This step prevents accidental site downtime and keeps your changes reversible. Now add the font to the theme. If uploading, go to edit code, right arrow assets, right arrow, add a new asset and upload. WAF/WAF2. Then open your theme's CSS theme, SCSS, liquid or base, CSS, and create an @font face block pointing to /assets/your font. WAF2, specifying font family and font weight. If your theme supports a font picker, select the uploaded or Google font there. Make sure to include sensible fallback fonts so text remains readable while the custom font loads. Finish by applying the font to body, headings, or specific selectors using font family in your CSS or the theme typography settings. Once done, save and preview the duplicate theme across desktop and mobile to verify rendering and weights. Make sure to clear browser cache and hard reload to see changes. If you run into issues, check the console for CORS or 404 errors. Confirm the asset path is /assets/filename. WAF2. And ensure MIME types and file names match exactly. That single mismatch is the most common blocker.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.